Yes! Hello Betches family, Namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to an aquarium. It's Ripley aquarium. हामी चाहिँ aquarium जाँदैछौँ to visit. अहिलेसम्म सारेनले just like sea animalsहरू at the picture मात्र देखेको छ. So today we are going to see it live.
What is that alive, Mommy?
Live means real. In real, we are going to watch the sea animals in real. Okay?
Is that Korean?
Yes, yes.
Is animal too?
And this is the outfit of the day of my daughter. And it's mine. Do we look matchy? Tell us in the comment below. How do we look? Right?
Women.
Wait, let me see your mobile. Today?
Let me hold it. Let me hold it.
Wait, let me hold it.
No, let me hold like this.
Let me hold it. Today we are going to a Korean new one. And I'm so excited. I love it. We are traveling through a train. Yeah? Where are we?
We're traveling through a train.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And today where are we going?
We are going to an aquarium to see the sea animals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Yes. It's a walking aquarium. Right? Yeah, we can walk in that aquarium actually. Let's see how it happens, how it goes. More than we expect or less than we expect.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. See you on the aquarium side.
Bye.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Bye, Mama. We are going now. Bye. Have a good day.
Okay, Sana, look in front. And we are exit from the bus and train southwest from here.
And do you know what is this actually?
What is actually? Look at the buildings. Oh my gosh.
There. What's wrong, Mommy? Mommy, what's wrong?
Oh. So it's a subway entry. Oh. Why are you holding your bottle so tight?
Because so that it won't fall down.
Oh. Sanu. Obviously, I feel like I am in Canada. Obviously, I feel like I am in Canada.
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो
Sanu, please hold my. You're winning. Please hold my hand. No.
You're really slow.
I'm really slow. Uh-oh. We got shops in the train sections. Main transit. How are you walking? And we are going to where? Food court.
Mommy, actually, this one is for me. Ooh.
Ani? Ani yellow? Okay.
Maybe I'll get some.
Delicious.
Come along with that, and from here it's Yan Tower. Whoa. Look at this sharky.
Oh my god. It has called green grass. Really excited to go on the aquarium Canada.
Yeah?
Because I love to see a baby shark. A
Okay.
big shark.
Okay.
Wow. It's open. Open the baby.
Look at this fish.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
It's such a beautiful earth. Mommy, I can see over there something. Oh. Oh, something there. Yes.
Oh, the shark in, right? Under the sea, no? Under the water.
The bird, right? It's dying in the water. Wow, that one is huge. Wow, that one is big.
Oh my god. This is a big
That
one.
one too. So do you want to touch it? Oh, that's a big one. It's huge. It's just hiding there.
Oh
It's not
my
going to come
gosh.
out. No. Are you scared? Oh, same. Yeah, it's moving, see?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're coming to me.
Oh, whoa! Okay, I'm here. That one too, that one too. This one's a stone, this one's a face too. We are on the scanner, okay?
Where are you? In where? Oh, you are in the escalator to see fish. Such a cool way.
Come on the escalator.
No, it's okay, Baba. Walking aquarium.
Look at that.
Now there are sharks coming in. See? Shark. Whoa, that one is huge.
Shark is coming? Oh, yeah. That one, that
Look at
one.
the tail. Oh, that looks scary. Oh, just look at the tail.
It's okay, but it won't come out from this. Oh, it's opening the mouth. It's opening the
So
mouth.
it's still, like, no, it brushed in the morning.
It's opening in the mouth.
Yeah, it brushed in the morning, see my teeth.
कोई सेंस है इस बात की?
क्या कर बेटे की
It's big water.
क्या कर बेटे कुछ था
What is wrong here?
You're liking it? You're liking it?
Yes, I am.
What's it?
What animal is this?
Eel.
Yeah.
Green eel. Look at this. What's it? Yeah, it's turtle.
Do you know what is this?
I don't know, it's a stingray. Rough-tail stingray. I don't know. It's a sawfish.
Do you know what is this?
And the turtle is swimming so perfectly. Oh, it's so cool. Roger, what's this? It's a shark. Look.
It's really scary now. It's really scary now.
Yeah, it has a scary mouth.
Oh, you're so cute, big shark. So cute. Oh, so cute.
Yeah.
What's this? We have three stuffed over there.
Where?
One, two, three.
Yeah.
Very beautiful.
People went inside this kids' crawl. Where are they?
I think it's a pleco of some sort.
I think
It's calling and going.
Maybe you can buy the point machine, okay? I'm gonna get that point. Okay?
Mommy.
Oh, they are here from where? Where? What's here?
Mommy, come here. I'll be scared.
Are you gonna be scared?
Yeah.
Don't be scared.
Oh my god, look a fish. Fish over there is rounding. Okay.
From there, they will be coming out from here. Hey, Simon, come out. Come out. Yes.
Oh my god, what are you doing?
This is the play section area. Wherever we see the play section area, not unique, that's impossible. So, father and daughter went in to play there. I am here shooting them and waiting for them. Just wondering everything. Thank you so much for watching our video. हजुरहरू यहाँसम्म आइदिनु भयो र मेरो भिडियो हेरिदिनु भयो त्यसको लागि धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद र प्लिज यहाँसम्म आइदिनु भएको छ सब्स्क्राइब नगरी नजागिदिनु होला Please support my channel by subscribing it and to like this channel and this video. हजुरहरूको like will just motivate me a lot. And please comment down below too हजुरहरूलाई कस्तो लाग्यो यो video. Don't forget to comment, like, and yes, see you in our next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.